In this training, we're going to show you how to use your general news list and maybe add different news lists. So you're going to go to your customer communication and then general news list. And we're going to retitle this news list. So right now it's called general news list. This is what we call it by default, but you can go to edit list details and then maybe change the name to promotions. So that way it's more specific to what this list will do. So you're going to click save. And then maybe you want to create an additional news list, maybe for route vacations or things like that. So you're going to click back on the promotions list. And then you're going to go to back to news lists. This will take you to the autoresponders and the new promotions list where we can add an additional news list. So you're going to click add new. So we're going to put delivery info. And then maybe a description would be any delays or route changes, things like that. So then you can click save. So now you have both of those lists. If we go down to the customer communication, you'll now see promotions lists and delivery info. So for each of these lists, you can now focus in on these, on what you want to do with these. So for delivery info, you would only send information based on the deliveries. So if your route changes maybe from a Thursday to a Tuesday for a holiday shift, or maybe it's on a route vacation, you can specifically send that from this list. So customers can better sign up for lists and better receive promotions and things like that. So that's how you set up different news lists. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to our customer support department.